yesterday I had a chat with a customer about all this setup. So what should we do, and what are the complexity in all of this integration? So SAP integration is obviously developing, and it becomes a lot more complex to set up all of these different things. So it used to be that your XI or business connector, that was enough. You can do all the things in it. Now you got a lot of other things that you want to do and deal with, and you want to figure out, so how do we use the whole platform? How do we enable our business to do what it wants us to do? And obviously that's a lot of work to, and if you're a small organization or even a big one, it becomes a lot of work. So in the old days, one business connector was enough. Now you have, and this company, they had one business connector developer. Now they have 5 PI developers, basically doing the same. I'm not sure if they are able to support more cases, do more complex scenarios, but it is fun how things have changed, but maybe also something about the skill set that you have. But now you, instead of just one, you have maybe 5 different platforms. You need to figure out how do we leverage them, and which are the ones we want to leverage, because if you have 5 persons, you cannot leverage all of these things. It's just too complex. So one of the things SAP has done is they have created the CIO guide to handle these things, and I think I do have a link to it. Let me just get it. So let me just put the link into the chat. So this is SAP's way of explaining what is going on, and what are the different tools you can use and what you need to do. But obviously, let me just show you the guide here. You can download it and take it away. I think it's 46 pages. It's a fun way of a good way to go into and look at some of these things, what they are and what you can do, and definitely beneficial for you to figure out what should we be doing and what's not that relevant for us to look into. So that's going to be a major part of the new year, about how these things work out.